That's right. Today is the day. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own 3.0 Galore Tech plushie. I know you guys have been waiting for it. And I'm going to use text-to-speech for this whole tutorial because I have a temporary speech impediment because of braces. And they suck. They suck so bad. But yeah, let's get into it.
First you need any color of fleece with matching thread. Then you'll need gray blizzard fleece. You'll also need white and black felt. You also need any scrap felt you have. Also black embroidery thread. And some fine tip Sharpies. Also need some safety pins. You're gonna need fabric scissors. I recommend you have a small one as well. And the pattern itself. By the way, I'm gonna use the OG pattern, and the downloadable pattern is modified to make it less of a mess. Of course, you're gonna need some hot glue. Now we can get started. First, we are gonna cut out the pattern, so pin the pattern onto the main fleece. Save these parts for later. Now, if you're gonna do double, fold the fleece over to make matching cuts. Then we can make the face and stomach, lay them over your scrap felt and gray fleece. Cut the ears out only with gray fleece. Now, cut them all out and let's get to work. First, sew the ear together. You should have two. After you do that, sew the darts for the head, aka the cutout triangles. After you do that, sew the back of the head together. After you do that, sew the ends of the front head together. After you do that, sew both the back head and the front together. This is a crucial step. Sew the ears into the square holes. You will get what I mean when you're sewing the head, just like this. Before you sew on the face, it needs modifying. Cut a slit where the nose will be, then cut out a small rectangle. And then, sew the triangle into the slit. Now sew the face onto the head. Now, stuff the head. After that, grab the rectangle and pull to form a bumpy jaw. Then, sew it to your liking. The head's done for now. Now, let's make the body. Sew the darts on the body first. After you do that, sew the body together. Then sew the stomach onto the front body. After that, stuff the body, and you're done with the body right now. Split the arms into two sections, the upper arms and the lower arms. Now fold the upper arms over and sew it together. Do it to the other one. Do the same to the lower arms. Now the hands. Sew the hands together. The fingers might be hard to flip inside out, so use a stuffing stuffer or a pencil if you don't have one. Stuff all the arm pieces. Now we are going to attach the arms together. The way I made the arms is base stitching around the opening of the arms. You're going to do exactly that. After you're done sewing around the opening, tighten it a little. After you do that, you're going to do the same thing to the other arms. After you do that, ladder stitch the two arm pieces together. After you do that, ladder stitch the hand onto the lower arm. The arms are done. Now ladder stitch the head to the body. Now we can start gluing the details on, like this stomach. Glue the gray stomach onto the body. After you do that, sew around the face with embroidery thread. See you in a couple of months. Finally, after that torture, glue that face onto the head. After you do that, add details to the face. Try to make it look accurate. Like that. I used Sharpie, white, and black felt. Now, it's time to attach the arms. I sewn the arm on, but that didn't go well. So we are going to glue it and stitch it on instead.
After you do all that, you should have your very own 3.0 monkey plushie. Yes, this is me a couple weeks in, and I don't have that speech impairment anymore, so now I can talk. So yeah, you can add any cosmetics if you want, but yeah, this is the finished product. And it's going to be for sale after I post this video, so if you haven't yet, go check the link if you want it. Anyways, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.